Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Postcards for designer mailers step by step clearly. Visit the Postcards website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Choose whether to register as an individual or a business. Fill out the required fields with your name and email address. Create a secure password for your account. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Enter additional information if prompted, such as your address and phone number. Review the terms and conditions carefully. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click the Create Account button to submit your registration. Look for a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Return to the Postcards website and log in with your new credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard to explore your options. Select Create New Mailer to start designing your postcard. Choose a template that fits your design needs. Customize the template by adding your images, text, and branding elements. Preview your design to ensure everything looks perfect. Once satisfied, click on the Save button. Proceed to the Order section to finalize your mailer. Enter the details for your mailing list, including recipient names and addresses. Review your order summary for accuracy. Click on the Submit Order button to complete the process. Wait for a confirmation that your mailer is being processed. Follow any further instructions provided for your order. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.